On a serene morning in the European highlands, sunlight pierces through fields of blooming lavender. In this landscape, and also across the wild plains of Australia, the golden sunflower valleys of Ukraine, and the high-tech apiaries of the US and Canada, a quiet world hums with life. It's the world of honeybees. Honey is more than a sweetener. It's the culmination of millions of flights, billions of flower visits, and a timeless collaboration between humans and nature. Around the world, hundreds of thousands of bee farms produce millions of tons of honey every year, serving food markets, medicine, cosmetics, and especially agriculture through essential pollination services. Not every place is suitable for bees. Beekeepers seek ecosystems rich in flora and low in pollution. Areas where bees can gather nectar with ease and stay healthy. Organic farms in New Zealand, pine forests in Siberia, and steppe lands in China all host bee colonies, each producing honey with its own distinct flavor, like a fingerprint from nature itself. From traditional African hives to the globally popular Langstroth boxes, hive design has evolved for centuries to provide the best possible living environment for bees. Removable frames allow for easy honey extraction and hive inspection, keeping bees undisturbed and healthy. In Europe, Caucasian bees are praised for their wax production. In the Americas, Italian bees are loved for their gentleness and productivity. Across the world, expert beekeepers select queens from the strongest colonies, ensuring the next generation is healthy, highly productive, and disease-resistant. Bees never stop working, but they still need support. In winter or low bloom seasons, supplemental feeding keeps them strong. Regular hive inspections help spot varroa mites, fungal diseases, or weakened queens, with immediate solutions ranging from medication to queen replacement and improved sanitation. When frames are filled, the harvest begins. From hand-powered centrifuges in Vietnam to mobile extractors in Argentina, the process is delicate, unsealing wax caps, spinning honey out, filtering multiple times. Some farms use high-tech systems, others still follow age-old methods, but all respect the bee's hard-earned product. Every drop is the result of patience, coordination, and the incredible labor of thousands of tiny wings. The final step is packaging. Honey is poured into glass jars, tins, or plastic containers, labeled with origin, standards, and harvest date. To many, it's just a product, but for beekeepers, it's heart and soul, the fragile balance between nature and craftsmanship. From Asia's forests to Australia's outback, from misty hills to endless meadows, beekeeping has become a global symbol of harmony. Every drop of honey is a whisper from nature, and a golden tribute to those who worked silently alongside it. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss more inspiring stories from Laurel Farm. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.